I made my first $1,000 from cartoon video animations, and today, I am going to teach you how to make money from creating cartoon video animations and make a lot of dollars even more than me. This is an update of the first video. Before we go straight to the tutorial, welcome to Tech Kings, the channel that teaches you how to make money online from tech skills, so kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell bottom so as to be notified of our next video upload. Also smash the like button and also leave us a comment below. All that said, let's get started. In this video, I will be teaching you two things, which are 1. How to create animations, and 2. How to make money from it.
Kindly give us a big thumbs up by hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button. We will really love this and we will thank you because you are supporting our channel. So to start with, you are going to open your Plotagon app. If you don't have it, make sure you download it. Then you are supposed to click on create video. But I've already created it, and I've already created a video which I use in the description below. So I'm just going to click on what I've used before. So we just wait for it to load. So while it's loading, what we are supposed to do is to change the scene, or if we want to use the same scene, we'll use the same scene. Then but the scene I used there is computer, so we can change the scene. Then we can also change the actor that we used. Then this place that the write up is where we are going to put the write up, and it's going to speak just like speech to sound or text to speech. So for the first segment which I told you about, so let's wait for that to load. While it's loading, make sure you subscribe, you like, and also share. So as you can see, it's computer used. You can change it to any other this thing you want to use. Okay, what are we going to change it to? Let's see, okay, old street corner. You can see how beautiful it is, but that's not what I want to use. What I want to use is computer, so I'm just going to change it back to computer right now. So nice, fantastic. So we want that person standing at the back of the chair to actually be seated on the chair. But before then, let's choose the person. So I want to use Tech Kings, the one I typed as Tech King. So now we have to put him on the chair. So you see behind the chair and in front of the chair. So what we are going to choose is in front of the chair right now. So click on chair. Now it's seated on the chair. So the next thing we have to do is to put the text. But I've already written the text already. So in explanation video. So that's what we're going to do. So that's that. So once you have finished setting it, the next thing is to play your animation to see if actually there is any place you have to put a punctuation mark, or a place where you have to put a comma or a full stop and you did not. So that will bring us to the end of the video. If you want to know how to make money from it, I'll put the WhatsApp group line in the description menu below. So you just join the WhatsApp group, and you get to know how to make money from it. I'll tell you everything there, all for free. So till next time we see again, remain blessed and continue to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you and God bless you.